I just arrived. I finished my Everest base camp trek. Took me a couple days to get down Ramechhap to Namche and Namche to here. But I'm gonna do a little walk around Lukla before I head to the airport. So I hope you guys enjoy. Also, if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel by clicking the link below. It only takes a second and it helps me out a lot. Irish pub. Scottish pub. Everest Coffee Cafe. Baskin Robbins. I've been in a cold environment for 2 weeks, but I am craving ice cream. I doubt they have any vegan ice cream though. Ooh, these are pretty. Man, this town is huge. Oh, Oreos. Water's cheaper here. 80 rupees. Gets up to 100 in Namche. And then at the very top, it's about 400. Alright, that looks like a tower for an airport. That must be it. So I found the airport. It wasn't that hard to find. Pretty small airport, but it's pretty trippy. The runway goes downhill, and it's a pretty short runway. So it looks like they go down, get some speed, and then you go up a cliff. So it should be interesting. So I'm sitting here in the Lukla airport. I bought a ticket for tomorrow morning because they didn't have anything available for today. But I'm sitting waiting to see because they might have something for me. So we'll see how it goes. But the price was 139 US dollars or about 1,600 rupees. It's one of the places where you can buy your rural ticket. I bought mine in Tok Tok. temple. Tourist place. And this is the end of the town. That was a walk from the airport on one end of town. And this is where I came up earlier today. This is the Everest Base Camp Trail right here.